Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the state eligibility test notification, that is SET 2021. And this notification, this examination is for the assistant professor or else the lecturer, for the direct recruitment or else the promotions in the universities as well as the degree colleges. So it is what they mentioned in its official website. And even though it is a state eligibility test examination from all over the India, you may apply from any state, guys. Okay. And I'm requesting you to please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of examination. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications or the more videos like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon and watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this state eligibility test notification. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET exam, the free online classes are provided for the paper 1 as well as for the electronic science on the Unacademy platform, and the link I kept in the description box of this video, so you may check down, guys. And while coming to the paid courses are also available on the Unacademy to crack the UGC NET JRF. So here the 6 different types of courses are currently running on this one. The regarding this one, the details I kept in the description box of this video and the links also I kept, so please check down those. Well, coming to the present content of the video, it is Andhra Pradesh state eligibility test. So on behalf of Andhra Pradesh, the Andhra University Visakhapatnam is conducting this examination, that is APSET 2021. And you may check down here, the online registration for APSET 2021 will begin from 11th August 2021 onwards. Fine. So from 11th August onwards, the online registration starts. So before that one, we will see what is the simple notification, important dates, eligibility, subjects. Okay, all these things we will see now itself. So it is a notification, simple paper advertisement notification. So Andhra Pradesh state eligibility test for the year 2021 will be conducted on 31st October 2021 in accordance with the GO MS number 47, Higher Education, the Department and Reaccreditation of UGC New Delhi for the recruitment and promotions of lecturers or assistant professors in universities and degree colleges as per the UGC regulations of the year 2021. And eligible candidates who wish to apply for APSET 2021 may submit their application through online mode. The registration fee is 1200 rupees for general and EWS category and 1000 rupees for BC category and 700 rupees for SC, ST, PWD or the transgender category may be paid through the payment gateway, and the detailed information regarding the eligibility, syllabus, test centers, what are the different subjects, related instructions, fees for late submission and procedure for online submission of the application are available on the official website, that is andrauniversity.edu.in, and I will show you all these things in now itself. And coming to the important dates for online submission, registration starts from 11th August 2021 and the last date for submission of online application without fee is 13th 9 2021. Fine. And this notification released on 4th August 2021. That means recently we got this notification, guys. And let's go back and we'll see the important dates. As we already saw the online opening as well as the closing date, but with a late fee also we will see now. So with the late fee of 1000 rupees plus registration fee 21st September, 2000 plus registration fee 28th September, 5000 plus registration fee 8th October, and the downloading of hall ticket 22nd October, and the date of examination is 31st October 2021. Okay, that means at the month of October end, the examination is going to be conducted. So it is the important dates. And next we will check the eligibility conditions. So candidates who have secured at least 55% of marks without rounding off in master's degree or equivalent from universities or institutions recognized by the UGC, okay, are eligible for this test, and the BC, SC, ST, transgender, PWD category candidate who have secured at least 50% of marks in master's degree or equivalent examination are eligible for this test. Fine. And candidates who are pursuing their master's degree or equivalent course or candidates who have appeared for their qualifying master's degree, that is final year examination, and result is still awaited, or candidates whose qualifying examination have been delayed may also apply for this test. That means I think so many of you, the qualifying examination may be delayed due to this COVID-19 situation, but you may apply for this one. However, such candidates will be admitted provisionally and shall be considered eligible for award of eligibility of assistant professor only after they have passed their master's degree or equivalent examination with at least 55% or the 50% in case of these categories. Such candidates must complete their master's degree or equivalent within 2 years from the date of the set result with required percentage of marks. And if you fail to do like this, you will be treated as disqualified. Okay, and the remaining points are also given here, so you please check down guys. So there is no upper age limit for applying this examination, and the qualified candidates are eligible to apply for the post of assistant professor only in the universities, colleges situated in Andhra Pradesh state from where they have cleared their set. Net or set or select shall remain the minimum eligibility condition for recruitment and appointment of assistant professor in universities or colleges or institutions. In this regard, the exemption from net, SLET or set will be governed by the UGC regulations from time to time. Okay, so it is the eligibility conditions, and coming to the subjects. So general paper, the syllabus also you can download here guys. And coming to the core subjects: anthropology, history, chemical science, commerce, computer science and application, economics, education, English, Earth, atmosphere, ocean and planetary science, environmental science, geography, Hindi, journalism and mass communication, law, life sciences, library and information science, management, mathematical science, physical education, philosophy, political science, psychology, public administration, Sanskrit, sociology, social work, Telugu, Urdu, visual arts. So total 30 subjects are there. And for the examination purpose, if you want to download the syllabus, you can download from here itself. And the medium of question paper in English medium as well as the Telugu medium, both these two bilingual. And a paper 2 of the following subjects: commerce, economics, education, history, political science, public administration, sociology will be bilingual. And all the remaining papers are in English only except Hindi, Sanskrit, Telugu and Urdu. Okay. And examination schedule. So paper 100 marks and paper 2 200 marks. It's just like the UGC NET examination pattern. And the duration is total 3 hours. Okay, you may check down the timing also here. And paper 1 is a general nature. Okay, and paper 2 100 object type questions. Okay, which is selected by the subject selected by the candidate itself. Right? And the candidate to mark the response for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2 on the OMR sheet provided along with the test booklet, and there is no negative marking for this exam. Okay, so these are the subjects. And coming to the examination center, and if you are applying from other states, you have to come to this place. Okay, this out of this one, the chosen place, you have to come and appear for the exam. So Visakhapatnam, Rajahmundry, Guntur, Nellore, Anantapur, Tirupati, Kadapa and Kurnool. So these are the examination centers. Fine. And the registration, now it is not started, but you please go through the important points regarding the registration and each and everything. So once after the registration starts, okay, actually they mentioned that the registration is going to start from 11th August onwards. Okay, so once the registration starts, if you're already clear with all the instructions and all the points, then once the registration starts, then you may start applying guys. Okay, so these are all the points regarding the APSET examination. So if you're interested, you may apply guys, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of notification. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications or videos like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. If you are interested, you may listen, or else you may stop this video by here itself. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET means commerce and a general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I am Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900 and for 3 months 2,823 and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month, and if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF.